One thing that I always notice is a lot of Amazon brands find out that they have got an inventory problem when the stock out actually happens. And then, of course, their ranking drops. It takes another 6 to 8 weeks just to claw back to where they were. And the thing is that you've actually got data to prevent all of that sitting right there in Seller Central. And either you can do it via any inventory management tool, or you can do it manually as well. So a lot of brands use different kind of stuffs or different kind of tools to actually find out what's going to be the reorder point, or when should they actually place another order with their product. For us, we've actually made an app script that sort of automates all of that process, and we just have to put in the lead times and the average stock in times, and that's when we automatically told by the app script that how much inventory do we need to order. So in this video, I'm actually going to walk you through the exact SOP we use internally at Make Brand Spec for both FB and FBM brands. I'm going to show you what reports you need, how to install the script, and what to check before you trust any number it gives you. So if you manage actually more than 5 or 10 ASINs and you're still doing this manually in your head or just on a basic spreadsheet, this is going to save you a lot of pain. So let's get into it. This is the SOP which I'm going to give out for free. You just have to comment SOP inventory management. But so we've actually built an app script in here, which is of 9 pages. All of this is actually made using AI. So even though we've got tools for inventory management as well, use app scripts for more accurate representation of what we actually need, and just so we are not losing any single point. Uh, Now let's come to inventory reorder sheet. And here it's super basic. So you just need three things. Number one is your COGS, uh, and that either you can pull from seller board if you've integrated that, or you can just put in manually. So multiple ways, of course. And you can either enter your ASINs or either enter your SKU. That depends. Now, number second is business report. Now, this depends as well. If you want to forecast your inventory for, let's say, 90 days, you can do with that. For us, it's very simple using 30 days, and I'll tell you guys that as well later on. And then you need another inventory report, which tells you how many units are available, and how many units are inbound, etc., etc. So all the details about your units. And then you can actually go ahead, go to your extensions, app scripts, take this app script, copy it here, and then run it. Once you're able to run this, you'll get another option of inventory tools. You just click on it, and it will ask you to build an inventory sheet. It's just going to take a while, and it's there. Now you only need to enter two things. Number one is your lead time, because that depends, and it could be possible that different SKUs have got different lead times as well. And then the target days of stock. Now that depends SKU to SKU as well. Now this is going to be valid for Amazon resellers as well, because they've got different lead times for different SKUs. So for example, your target days of stock, you need to have 2 months worth of stock, right? And your lead time is, let's say, 45 days. Now it's going to tell you that either do you need to order the inventory, or you do not need to order this inventory. So actually, the conditional formatting needs a bit of changes. So reorder, if it does need reorder, sorry, if it's yes, that means that you need to reorder the inventory. And then it's telling you what should be your, how much units you should be reordering as well. What's your target inventory? What total units are available at this point of time? When your units arrive, your projected units that will be at arrival, and what's your recommended order quantity if you want to keep 60 days worth of stock. Now you can change that as well. Let's say you want to keep 45 days worth of stock. It's going to definitely change the recommended reorder quantity, and based on that, it's actually going to give you a PO as well. So that way you can understand that, for example, if 77K is going to get tied up in terms of capital, and if I want to keep 45 days worth of stock, let's say, so the total capital, it actually comes down to 61K, right? And if my lead time is actually, let's say, 30 days, and although of course it could be 60, 90 days as well, but right, so now my required capital, it comes down to 43K. So this is a very simple method of how to calculate when to reorder your inventory, and in order to ensure that you do not go out of stock, you can actually go ahead and comment inventory management SOP, and I'll send it over to you.